This question is from GATE 2016 electronics branch, and in this question we have to find the equivalent resistance RAB. So all these resistance are of value R. So all these resistance are of same value which is equal to R, and we have to find the equivalent resistance RAB. Means this is the terminal A, this is terminal B, and we have to find the equivalent resistance. So the method to solve this is, first we have to see if there is any perpendicular symmetry or parallel symmetry. So this is the line of axis of the terminal A and B. So there is a perpendicular symmetry because this resistance R is in perpendicular symmetry to the line joining these two terminals. So this resistance R is in perpendicular symmetry. Because when we draw this line, then this line exactly bisects this whole figure into this whole network into two equivalent resistances. Because this R is above and this R is below. This R is above, this R is below, this R is above, this R is below. This R can be separated into R by 2 and R by 2. And this is in the perpendicular symmetry. So the resistance in the perpendicular symmetry can either be removed or shorted. So in this figure this figure will become very easy if we remove this resistor. So we remove this resistor. Now this figure becomes very easy to solve because this R and this R are in series. So it can be replaced by an equivalent resistance of 2R. This R and this R are in series. This R and this R were in series. So replaced by 2R. Now this R and this R are also in series. This R and this R are also in series. So we can replace it by single resistor of 2R. So single resistor of 2R. We can replace this. Now this 2R and this 2R are in parallel because from this terminal to this terminal this R is connected and this 2R is also connected. So R and 2R are in parallel. So their equivalent will be 2R upon 3. So we can simply replace it by a single resistor of 2R upon 3. Now this 2R upon 3 and this R and this R are in series. So 2R upon 3 plus 2R. So it will become 8R upon 3. Because resistances in series can be added. So this whole will become 8R upon 3. We replace it by a single resistor of 8R upon 3. Now this 8R upon 3, R and 2R are in parallel. So now we have 8R upon 3 in parallel with 2R in parallel with R. Because this R is connected between this terminal, then this 8R upon 3 is also connected between this terminal, then this 2R is also connected between these terminals. So this is equal to 8R upon 3. 2R and R in parallel will give 2R upon 3. So this is the way we do it. And if we solve it, then we get 8 by 15 as the answer. So the equivalent resistance RAB is equal to 8 by 15. So this is how we solve it, because we found that the resistance that was here was in the perpendicular line of symmetry, because this is the line connecting these two terminals. So the resistance in perpendicular line of symmetry can be removed or shorted. So when we removed this resistance, then our figure got very easy to solve. Thank you.